Welcome back to Two Beards in a Jeep. But today, it's Three Beards in a Jeep. Right, Jason?
Woo! Yeah! Had to call in the big guns.
Bro, this Jeep's legit.
So we'll be working on this slightly modified JK two-door. No, it hasn't had too much. I think it's still under warranty even, so.
Yeah. For sure.
Fully under warranty.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to give you a short rundown of this Jeep. I have no idea about this Jeep. This guy does. So I'm just going to fake it.
Fake it till you make it.
Jayson, this is a 2009 JK. He's got the anti-rock sway bar, the Dana 30, the Ultimate Dana 30, or Dana 44. Oh my god. Ultimate Dana 44. Let's start over again. Just kidding. He's got the OR eyes. So the OR eyes replace springs and shocks and bump stop. It's all in one. And it's adjusted with nitrogen. So you charge these, changes your wide height, your ride height and all.
Your wide height?
Your wide height. He's got all the GenRight stuff to the side. But recently, when he put the four eyes on, he actually extended the wheels back. He's got 37-inch tires. What does he have here? The Trepidor, 37-inch, but he moved the axle back. So he's got rock crawler suspension, halfway. I don't know how much is still rock crawler, but it's 3-link, not 4-link. But he moved the axle back. So what we're doing is changing out the side body armor. You see all the nutsert holes. So all this had to be replaced. He's going to relocate the gas.
Yeah, he wants to relocate it to somewhere in here, so when he gets to a pump, he doesn't have to get out of the Jeep. He can just swipe his card, put the gas in, and sit in his Jeep.
Yeah.
Genius.
You see, there's been a lot of cutting here to get everything to fit.
Yeah, he has to cut out all of this to like down here. He's gonna cut down like this because the body armor.
He's gonna screw up the whole aero lid sticker though, so that's a downside. Jayson wins. He wins one award, okay? And that award is most stickers. That's what Jayson's known
Every
for.
year.
Says every year, 3 years running. So you can see how much cutting there's involved in this.
And don't look at how pretty the cut is. It was, you know, it's functional.
Not sure, but I think the warranty is void on this.
It's on that corner.
Just on the corner.
Just on this corner.
It's on that corner.
The rest of the Jeep is still under warranty.
Warranty on my alignment's still good.
Anyway, he's done it's slightly better than stock, as you can tell.
Just a little. The other one, but oh yeah, and see, like we had like a nice little happy guy going down his happy trail with his mountains and a little tree over here was Bob Ross style. When we cut it out the first time, we were just drawing and playing and like had the
Stalling.
Yeah,
Stalling.
Yeah. It's exactly what we were doing, but I mean, you know, we didn't really want to call it that.
How many beers in was that?
It was probably about, I don't know, 13, 14. Yeah, you don't have to be like precise on that. All we gotta do is make this one very, very close to this one, and then we put the nutserts in based off of this one. Alright, so the most important part of putting on armor is making sure that you get your nuts certs
That's inserted.
correctly.
Right size hole.
Right size hole on your nut certs. You know what? Let me use that step to start it. Holy crap, what am I drilling into?
Gas tank.
Yeah, we don't need that. We'll have armor on though.
Man, looks like this Jeep got shot. That's one way to get to it.
Yeah, you know, you just gotta, you get your nut search spinning. You gotta
Reposition.
Yeah.
Get a better angle.
Spin on it.
I want to see it.
Yeah.
It's got a pet alligator.
His name's BG.
Beach.
Because he's a baby
You named
gator.
it.
He's a baby gator, and whenever he gets to be a big gator, I ain't gotta fuck around and change his name. Sorry about the language.
This is not a family-friendly channel.
Even though we film it with the family. Y'all get to see the second beard for the first time.
I'm working on it. I'm getting there.
And then the third beard over there.
And fill in third beard.
The ginger.
The ginger.
We call him the
You
ginger
gotta
beard.
have a token
The
around
ginger
here.
beard.
The token.
Now that's where you're gonna figure out whether you put in the axle symmetrical.
Right.
Oh.
You cut the next one and it's like, wait a second, the tire sits 3 inches forward on this side.
Yeah, probably does.
Jason, what's your trick on getting them aligned?
What's in alignment?
Didn't you buy some like
Oh, you're talking
lifetime
about
alignment?
my Firestone lifetime warranty on it? Yeah, so whenever I change out anything, I take it back to Firestone. I'm like, hey guys, how are you? It's me again. Good to see you. Yep, how's mama and them? Alright. And then they hate me. Because I took it to them like, I don't know, maybe 4 times in a month one time. I'm like, oh yeah, I had to get new drive shafts, I had to do this, and I changed out this, and got longer control arms. And they're like, well, this is not how it was intended.
Alright, now that I got rid of Jason, he's been monkeying around with this for hours. I solved it for him. When he comes back, oh, hey Jason.
Oh, what's going on?
Oh.
You guys good? You done yet? I had to take a nap. Usually put one in which here. Start it.
Nuts hurts.
My best friend.
Invention ever.
That's sarcasm, by the way.
Yeah, everybody's like, yeah, these guys are full of shit. Nuts are the devil. Alright, now let me see if I can get
Net suits are the devil.
this guy.
What kind of rock guards are these?
This is TNT Customs out of Utah. And they match up perfectly with the Genrite. Can't you tell?
Yeah, he had to cut all that. It didn't line up at all.
None of it.
At least they're universal.
They are universal, as long as you got a cutoff wheel. That moved a lot.
Just trying to line up this body armor. Closing in on it. Maybe a ratchet gun.
Yeah, that's exactly how we got it on the first one. What are you trying? What am I saying?
I don't know, Jason. No,
You're the
I'm
one
just
who
kidding. All right, so as you can tell, we have not finished, but we got the other side on, pulled it back off. It's gonna look great. I'll post some pictures later on of the finished thing. But right now, how you feeling about our progress?
Well, I'm happy to finally get all these nut certs in. None of them are spinning, so that's good. I'm glad to see that some of them require longer bolts instead of having to have the nut cert in there. So like this one, for instance, we're gonna have just a bolt through it with a nut on the back of it, and everything lines up. So the most important
Yeah, that'll
part
be
is,
more secure for sure.
Yeah, absolutely. So
But
the most important part is everything's lining up and it's fitting in. We had to do a lot of cutting, more than we anticipated at first, but just gotta clean up all the edges and stuff like that. But for the most part, everything's good to go. I'm kind of sad about messing up my Aerolid sticker, but other than that, I'm sure Gabe Warner will give me another one. Just maybe.
Well, I know this sounds weird, but thank you for letting me help you out, because this was cool.
No, absolutely.
Cool content.
Yeah.
Awesome Jeep. And we're good friends, so we'll see this Jeep in more videos.
For sure. Next time, hopefully, we're gonna have the third beard here because it's 2 beards in a Jeep. We just had to keep it going for you, Jacob.